In today's class, we are going to discuss the difference between void contract and voidable contract, void agreement and illegal agreement. So friends, as you can see, I have written different points. Let us discuss one point in detail. So first is meaning. As per section 2, subsection J of Indian Contract Act, a void contract is a contract which is enforceable at the beginning but later on it becomes void. So void contract पहले क्या होता है सर? Valid होता है. At later stage it becomes void. Similarly, voidable contract. As per section 2 subsection I, a contract is voidable at the option of one or more parties or at the option of one or more parties but not at the option of other parties. तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट voidable होगा सर ऑप्शन ऑफ अग्रीड पार्टी. अदर पार्टी मींस अग्रीड पार्टी. जो सफरर होगा उसके साथ क्या होगा सर? कुछ लॉस होगा. कुछ लॉस होने के कारण वो क्या कर सकता है सर? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को voidable बना सकता है सर. Let us see the example of void contract and voidable contract. So void contract का example, Mr. A, a famous artist, has signed a contract for his performance. अब A ने contract sign किया and वो क्या था? Artist था. He has signed a contract for his performance. Later on, A has died. The contract becomes void. अब A की क्या हो गई सर? Death हो गई सर. तो A की death होने के बाद क्या होगा? वो contract void हो जाएगा. Second example of voidable contract. A induced B to enter into contract for supply of automobile. अब A ने B को induce किया सर कि supply करने के लिए. supply क्या? automobile. A has induced B to enter into contract for supply of automobile. The induced was by way of fraud. अब A ने induce किया B को for supply of automobile by way of fraud. The contract is voidable at the option of B. B के पास क्या राइट है? B के पास ये राइट है कि वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को voidable कर सकता है क्योंकि B क्या था? सफरर था सर. तो सफरर होने के बाद उसके पास क्या है सर? He has two rights. Either he can cancel the contract or he can claim damages. The second right he has is he can continue with the contract. So this is the next point. In void contract there is no legal remedy, but in case of voidable contract, the aggrieved party, the sufferer party, has a right to cancel the contract and claim the damages. So friends, I hope the concept of difference between void contract and voidable contract is clear. In a void contract, the contract is valid at the beginning, but later on, due to impossibility of performance, the contract becomes void. One more example for void contract is A and B entered for a marriage performance. A and B की marriage होने वाली थी, but before the day of marriage A died. अब यहाँ पे performance complete नहीं होगी. The performance will not be completed because A's death is a big reason. So the contract becomes void. मतलब void contract valid था पहले, लेकिन impossibility of performance से वो contract void बन गया. voidable contract में क्या होता है? contract optionable होता है. second party जो sufferer होता है, aggrieved party has two rights. He can cancel the contract, he can claim damages, or he can continue with the contract. Where free consent is missing, the contract becomes voidable. Example: coercion, misrepresentation, undue influence, or any kind of fraud. So in cases में contract बन जाता है voidable. I hope you have got the difference of meaning between both. The next concept is void agreement and illegal agreement. Let us discuss in detail. A void agreement is an agreement which is not enforceable from the very beginning. Sir, ये contract enforceable नहीं है sir from the very beginning. But an illegal agreement is an agreement which object and consideration is unlawful. An agreement whose object or consideration is unlawful is illegal agreement. The agreement is not enforceable from the very beginning. It is void agreement. मतलब illegal agreement void नहीं होंगे, ये भी void होंगे सर, और ये illegal भी होंगे. लेकिन सारे वो agreement void agreement में illegality नहीं होगी. Void agreement void होगा, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि वो illegal हो. वही बोलता है second point. Void agreements may not be illegal, but illegal agreements are always void. Void agreement का एक एग्जांपल आ रहा है, agreements with minor are always void. And illegal agreement का एक एग्जांपल है, illegal agreement, an agreement to kill a person or an agreement for smuggling of goods are illegal and also void. So I hope the basic difference is clear. The third point is collateral transactions are enforceable. Void agreement में जो connected transactions है वो enforceable है sir. And void illegal agreement में collateral transactions are always void. Example: A offers to B to kill C for rupees 10 lakh. For this purpose, A has borrowed the money from D. A ने ऑफर दिया B को डेथ के लिए, C के लिए. डेथ किसकी थी? C के लिए. So उसने एक लोन लिया D से. Now D knows the purpose of the loan. D को ये पता है कि A ने ये पैसा किसी गलत काम के लिए लिया है. So can D claim the amount? My answer is D cannot claim the amount because D is also equally liable. Why? Because collateral transactions are also illegal. They are also void. The other side will not have any legal remedy to claim his amount. The collateral transactions are enforceable. In void agreements, the collateral connected transactions will be enforceable because void agreements will give certain rights to the other party to claim the remedy. So I hope you have got the knowledge of void agreement and illegal agreement. यहाँ पे एक example आ रहा है. An agreement whose terms are uncertain are void but not illegal. जिसके टर्म्स अनसर्टन है, जिसके टर्म्स अनक्लियर है वो void होंगे, लेकिन वो illegal नहीं होंगे. Next point, punishment. In void agreement there is no punishment because it is not illegal. If the void agreement is illegal, then there is punishment. But in illegal agreement there is punishment, there is penalty, there is imprisonment as per IPC, Indian Penal Code. Punishment is in the form of penalty. Punishment in the form of imprisonment is applicable to illegal agreement. But no punishment if the contract or if the agreement is not illegal. So friends, I hope you have got the meaning and difference between both of them. So void agreement जरूरी नहीं है कि वो illegal हो, लेकिन illegal agreement हमेशा void और illegal होंगे क्योंकि उसका जो nature है, उसका जो base है वो गलत है, वो illegal है, वो against the law है, वो fraudulent है. एंड यहाँ पे void agreement में collateral transaction enforceable होंगे और यहाँ पे collateral transactions भी void होंगे. So thank you friends for your support.